Have you ever felt like you're just one breath away from healing, but you're looking in all the wrong places? What if I told you that your body holds a hidden power, a power that doesn't need pills, prescriptions, or hospitals, just a deeper connection to yourself? For centuries, Buddhist monks have believed in something extraordinary, that true healing doesn't come from the outside, it comes from within. And today, you're about to discover the 10 timeless Buddhist rules that could awaken that natural healing force inside you. These aren't just health tips, they are life shifting principles that can bring harmony to your mind, peace to your heart, and energy back to your body. So, if you're tired of quick fixes and ready for real transformation, don't go anywhere. This could be the video that changes your life. Let's begin. Rule 1. Embrace meditation for mind-body harmony. The first rule for healing is meditation. Picture this: a moment of stillness where you can calm your racing thoughts and find peace within yourself. Meditation is like pressing the reset button for your mind and body. It allows you to create a connection between your inner world and your physical being, bringing a sense of harmony. Buddha taught that meditation isn't just about sitting quietly, it's a practice of becoming more aware of your thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations. By doing so, you can begin to recognize patterns that might be causing stress or imbalance in your body. Through meditation, you allow your body to release tension, lower stress, and promote relaxation, all of which contribute to better health. And the best part? Meditation doesn't require any special tools or complicated steps. You can start by simply sitting quietly, focusing on your breath, and letting go of the thoughts that clutter your mind. As you practice, you'll notice the subtle but powerful effects it has on your body. From reducing inflammation to improving sleep quality, meditation has been scientifically proven to promote healing. Rule 2. Cultivate a positive mindset. The next rule is about the power of positive thinking. Buddha said, "What we think, we become." This profound teaching reminds us that our thoughts shape our reality. When we focus on positive thoughts, we send messages to our body to heal and stay strong. A positive mindset is like planting seeds of health in your mind. The more you nurture them, the more they grow, turning into physical vitality. It's not about ignoring challenges. It's about reframing them in a way that encourages growth and resilience. Instead of thinking, "I can't," try thinking, "I will find a way." This shift in perspective can lead to a profound transformation, both mentally and physically. The energy of positive thoughts doesn't just stay in your mind, it affects your body too. Studies show that positive thinking can boost your immune system, reduce stress hormones, and even lower blood pressure. So, when you train your mind to focus on what's good in your life, you're literally telling your body to heal itself. Rule 3. Practice self-love and self-care. Self-love and self-care are essential components of healing. To truly nurture your body, you need to start by showing yourself kindness. Buddha emphasized the importance of loving oneself, because only when we care for ourselves can we fully give to others. Self-love isn't about being narcissistic or self-centered. It's about acknowledging your worth, embracing your imperfections, and treating yourself with the same compassion that you would offer to a friend. When you engage in acts of self-care, whether it's taking a relaxing bath, getting enough sleep, or simply enjoying a moment of quiet, you're signaling to your body that it is worthy of healing and restoration. By prioritizing your well-being, you build a foundation for health that goes beyond surface-level practices. It's a deeper, more lasting form of care that strengthens the mind-body connection. And the more you practice self-love, the more your body responds with vitality. Rule 4. Nourish your body with mindful eating. The food you consume plays a vital role in your health, but it's not just about what you eat, it's also about how you eat. Mindful eating is the practice of paying full attention to your meals, savoring every bite, and being aware of how your body feels as you eat. Buddhist teachings encourage us to be present with each moment, and that includes the act of eating. Rather than rushing through meals or eating mindlessly in front of a screen, mindful eating invites you to slow down and truly connect with your food. By doing this, you not only enjoy your meals more, but you also give your digestive system time to properly process the nutrients. When you eat mindfully, you begin to notice how different foods affect your body. Some may leave you feeling energized, while others may cause sluggishness or discomfort. This awareness empowers you to make better choices and support your body's natural healing process with nourishing, wholesome foods. Rule 5. Move your body with purpose. Exercise is a key element of maintaining a healthy body, but it's not just about hitting the gym or following a strict workout plan. In Buddhist philosophy, movement is also about being present in your body, whether it's through yoga, tai chi, walking, or dancing. Moving with purpose connects you to your body's energy. Every stretch, every step you take is a reminder that your body is alive and capable of healing. Regular movement improves circulation, boosts your immune system, and reduces stress. The more you move, the more you help your body restore its balance and function optimally. Remember, movement doesn't have to be intense. Gentle, mindful exercises are just as powerful. Whether it's a short walk in nature or a calming yoga session, making time for purposeful movement each day contributes to your body's self-healing capacity. Rule 6. Find peace in rest and relaxation. Rest is not a luxury, it's a necessity for the body to heal. In Buddhist teachings, rest is seen as a vital part of the natural cycle of life. Just as the earth requires rest to regenerate, so does our body. When you allow yourself to rest, you create space for healing. Sleep is the body's most powerful healing tool, allowing cells to repair, hormones to balance, and energy to recharge. But relaxation isn't just about sleep, it's about giving your mind and body time to unwind during the day as well. Practices like deep breathing, guided relaxation, or simply sitting in silence can help release the tension that builds up throughout the day. By making rest a priority, you ensure that your body has the time it needs to recover and heal naturally. Just as a garden needs time to rest between cycles, your body requires downtime to replenish itself and stay vibrant. Rule 7. Cultivate patience and let go of stress. In our fast-paced world, patience often feels like a rarity. We want instant results, quick fixes, and immediate gratification. But Buddha taught us the importance of patience, and it is a key component in the healing process. Healing, whether it's physical or emotional, takes time. When we try to force things to happen quickly, we create stress and tension in our bodies. Patience allows us to step back and trust the process. It's about giving yourself the grace to heal in your own time, without rushing or pushing yourself too hard. The less you resist the natural flow of healing, the more easily your body can restore itself. Stress is a major barrier to health, but when you embrace patience, you let go of the stress that can disrupt your body's ability to function optimally. Patience, combined with mindfulness, helps you manage difficult situations calmly, creating space for your body to heal without interference from anxiety or pressure. Rule 8. Practice gratitude. Daily. Gratitude has an immense power to transform your life and health. Buddhists teach that cultivating gratitude shifts our perspective from what's lacking in our lives to what we already have. It's a practice of focusing on the abundance that surrounds us and has profound benefits for the body and mind. When you practice gratitude, you activate a sense of joy and appreciation, which triggers the release of positive chemicals like endorphins and serotonin in the brain. These feel-good hormones contribute to a stronger immune system, reduced inflammation, and an overall sense of well-being. Start each day by acknowledging 3 things you're grateful for, no matter how small they may seem. Over time, this practice rewires your brain to focus on the positive, improving your mood and strengthening your body's healing capabilities. Rule 9. Seek connection with nature. Spending time in nature is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to rejuvenate your body and mind. Buddhist teachings emphasize the interconnectedness of all things. Just as the trees, the rivers, and the earth are all interconnected, so are we connected to the natural world around us. When you immerse yourself in nature, you absorb the healing energy of the earth. Whether you're taking a walk in the forest, sitting by the ocean, or simply enjoying the fresh air in your backyard, being in nature can lower stress, reduce inflammation, and enhance your overall health. Nature offers a natural rhythm that can help restore balance to your body. It reminds you that you are part of something much larger, helping to put your challenges into perspective and supporting your body's ability to heal. Rule 10. Live with compassion and kindness. Finally, the 10th rule for healing is living with compassion. Buddha taught that compassion is at the heart of true health and well-being. When you practice compassion, not just towards others, but also towards yourself, you create an environment of love, kindness, and healing energy. Living with compassion means being gentle with yourself, forgiving your mistakes, and understanding that you are not perfect. It also means extending kindness to others, recognizing their struggles, and offering support when needed. This act of giving love and kindness fosters a sense of connectedness and peace, which in turn promotes healing within your own body. When we live with compassion, we reduce the negative effects of stress and anger, and we increase our ability to cope with life's challenges. Compassion heals not just the heart, but the body as well. It's a practice that creates peace, joy, and health, not only for ourselves, but for everyone we interact with. By embracing these 10 transformative rules, you tap into an extraordinary power that resides within you, the power to heal and restore your body naturally. Buddhism teaches us that true health isn't merely the absence of disease, it's the presence of balance, peace, and vitality. When we adopt practices like meditation, positive thinking, self-love, mindful eating, purposeful movement, deep rest, patience, gratitude, a connection with nature, and compassion, we unlock our body's innate ability to heal itself. These principles may seem simple, yet they hold profound wisdom. When integrated into your daily life, they form a holistic approach to health that nurtures both body and mind. The beauty of this approach lies in the fact that your body doesn't need external medications to heal. It simply needs the right mindset, the right practices, and a supportive environment. By living in harmony with yourself, you invite the natural healing process to take place, effortlessly. Remember, healing is not a destination, it's a lifelong journey. Every small step you take towards balance and well-being builds a solid foundation for lasting health, happiness, and peace. So, take these 10 rules to heart and witness the incredible transformation as your body, mind, and spirit align to restore your vitality naturally and powerfully. Your body is capable of so much more than you might realize. Trust in its wisdom and let it lead you towards a healthier, more vibrant life.